Hey guys, so if you're new to this channel, my name is Michelle. Welcome to Adventure She Craves, and just getting right into it, I'm doing a Curology review, just taking you guys with me through my journey, and I've only done like the free trial, so as much as like these products could run out of, and I recorded it. I'm really bad at like describing how my skin improved here and there, so you're gonna see a lot of that in the video. So please let me know if you can see a difference, and let me know in the comments below if you see any difference in texture, inflammation, and the amount of acne I have on my face. I apologize if I don't look cute today. I just came back from the beach with a friend, and I've been sick, and I just love the way my voice sounds. Maybe I'm the only one, but my brother and her brother, and she was saying, like, you don't sound like Michelle, but, like, not a bad thing, but, like, I don't know why, like, I have, like, this new, like, personality. Like, I feel so confident, like, the fuck. So, yeah. And when I sing, I'm not a great singer, but with this voice, like, I don't know why, I feel like it sounds so much better because it's more raspier. I don't know why. It probably sounds terrible maybe to you guys. So basically, they provide you with a cleanser, the super bottle treatment, and then the moisturizer. So you take a survey online, basically talk about your acne, what your specific targets are, like acne scars. For me, like a lot of acne all over. Kind of your allergies, all that jazz. You just fill out a quick, easy survey, and then you schedule a phone call consultation. Bitch, when that phone call calls, like, you answer it, because they don't call the second time. They called like a minute before the scheduled time, and I'm like, oh, I don't answer like unknown numbers, but bitch, I had to reschedule the next day. So yeah, so just pick it up. It'll be from California, and or at least for me, it was from California. I really hope, I'm sorry if I don't look cute, whatever, I love myself, but, yeah, so basically, you fill out the survey, you do the consultation over the phone, you receive these in the mail. Thank you so much, welcome to my channel, and I hope that this helps a lot of you out there, and please let me know any advice you may have based on all the footage that I'm about to share with you, and I'm so sorry for what you're gonna see, but it's reality, and I don't know why this voice makes me feel much more confident, why, but yeah, so this is what the left side of my face looks like. So this is where a lot of the redness and acne are. These are like fairly new, but like it's been like here for years in the same spots, especially here, because it looks like the texture of my skin looks like they're crunching into each other. So this is day one, just what it looks like day one. Maybe I should do the morning afters results rather than the night. Yeah, morning after pill. I should look at reviews for that. I never thought to before, but now in my mind I'm like, maybe I should look at the morning after pill reviews just in case my future self would like thank me. I guess it's still the same the morning after. I think the more like it's definitely calmed down in some areas. Hey guys, so I'm here with Annette, and deadass I was like, yo, this bitch gonna think I'm stupid. I changed the outfit that I showed earlier, and I'm wearing black. But then she came looking like I'm dressed up. I was like, I'm gonna look like I'm coming from a funeral. And she came in. I love your skirt though. I love your outfit. So I have my garlic bread. I made some garlic bagel, vegan bagel with some garlic bread for our breakfast. To pregame for our real food, because I don't want to be hungry. Girl, we're gonna be in the park all day. I'm gonna be like, I bought like 10 water bottles, so we good for that. Oh yeah, that's the point. Oh yeah, my skin. So what do you think my skin looks like after day 2? That's not our brush.
I think overall texture looks a little smoother. There's not as many bumps, so I think pretty good.
Thanks. It still looks disgusting, but you know what? The days go forward. Ugh. How fucking bitch? I'm not counting my neck and back. I'm gonna do that though.
No, I'm talking about the star.
What star? Oh fuck! I thought you were pointing to my pimple. I was like, what an asshole. Like, what a bitch. No. Oh yeah, this is a star from a skirt. Damn. You're not getting no garlic bread. Oh
was like, what an
working.
asshole.
Still trying to figure you out. Baby, don't be shy. Show me what you're about.
Every single person, bring it forward, bring it forward, bring it forward. I need you to bring it forward a little bit.
Fucking hell! Pain massage. Pop outs. Oh shit. The toilet just flushed itself, so that was kind of creepy. Like, okay, so for this bullshit, do you see like these like pimples, like just this like check mark or whatever, this contour of pimples? So that showed up, and it's like I fucking hate it because it just like it was so inflamed the past few days. But for today, I just noticed like here it went down. Like these were a lot like further above the surface, so they're just now going below the surface and like slowly clearing up. But they all kind of looked like this. This also had like bruising on it, so I was like, what the fuck? They all looked like that. So I didn't like that. There's some like I think breakouts here that kind of cleared up. So yeah, so I feel like it's just one of those products that may cause you to break out first, and that, well, at least for my skin, cause me to break out a lot and looked really bad, and is starting to heal now after like I think 7 days. So that's where I am. I'm gonna continue with it. I don't see myself really continuing with this in the coming months, and I know it's only been like a few days, but alright. I currently have a nosebleed right now, so if you see blood fall, just ignore that. So for this process, Lord Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna go by the window instead of the bathroom light because I think it's more accurate. Oh my lordy. But no, I actually think it's been working with the process. My so OG friend Annette, thank you. She's able to like kind of see the texture difference. So yesterday she said like it looks more so smoother. Like my skin, if I were to put makeup on, it will look a lot smoother. You wouldn't be able to see like the texture that I used to have so much trouble with before. So I think that this process, this formula, caused my acne to break out like no tomorrow. And I've been really watching kind of this side of my face because this has always been, like, yeah, this part's bad too, but this part has always been the worst side of my face to break out and inflame, especially around here, which is the area I wanted to kind of get rid of the scarring and the coloration and all that jazz. And honestly, like, bless, because you remember how like this check mark of all these breakouts, these were like above the surface, really red, excuse my nails by the way, really red and huge, so they started calming down a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm getting a headache from looking like that. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this, if you can see it, was like a huge white pus last night. Like it dead ass looked like I had like an extra tooth right over here, like it was that big and like that shaped. And I woke up this morning and it's been going down. So I think the nightly cream again is doing a lot more than the cleanser and the moisturizer, but I use like hella moisturizer to make it feel like as though it's really getting into my skin. So yeah, I feel like all of it's like dispersing, but here, yeah, it probably calmed down in a while. This broke out a lot. That's just, I've been waiting to go down. I don't really have that much bad on my forehead and my nose, but yeah, no. It's still going. All right, hold real quick. This is what I mean, dead ass. So you see how here, like, these two pimples were big as fuck? That was all gone, that was all good. Look now, this is what I mean. See this? See that? 2 new pimples over here. This is what I mean when I say my acne, it'll get clear over here. And then it's like motherfucking pop a mole, like you can lose it over here, and then it's like whack the mole, and then the other one pops out from the other holes. It's like, the fuck? Like, it's like, yay, it's working, right? Is it? Is it? But, popping again? Why? I feel like you don't see as much acne as I struggled with before when I would use makeup. Yeah, today has been a very, very, like, depressing day, and I'm gonna get through it, but yeah, so this is my face, and I definitely did my makeup differently. I don't usually do pinks up here and oranges, but I think it looks okay. I kind of did I've been watching TikTok. I just downloaded it, as like everyone says, as a joke. Didn't think I'd get into it, and now I'm just like scrolling through. Perfect for a day of depression, you know what I'm saying? So I just can't stop. So it's good I'm gonna get out. So I did kind of like the makeup they do where they have like the blush going all the way here, and like sometimes the bronzer and a little bit of like shine here, and I actually really like it. It looks a lot better on those girls, but I just did like a little bit because I still gotta improve my makeup skills. But yeah, this is Curology, please come through in the next few days, because it'd be nice for it to all be clear. Praying. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys a raw morning after. Like, I am on my period. I've been drinking for the past 3 days, all weekend, and I don't really drink alcohol because I heard it's like bad for the skin, and you can like obviously gain weight from it. But yeah, I just want to show like a raw kind of outcome of like the morning after, what my face looks like. I didn't end up using the solution last night because I was just so tired, and I'm still tired. It's been long, but a long weekend. So I just want to show you something raw for you to kind of really, I guess, tell me if you see even more of a difference. It's still red on here. Well, yeah, but I definitely feel like the breakouts have definitely gone down. And this is like this side of the face. So, oh my god. My cat literally just like jumped against the door, and I'm like, fuck. So all the acne on my neck here that was bad, that definitely has been calming down a lot, especially here, especially underneath my ears here. I never really break out under my ears, but oh my gosh, it was bad, but it went away. Yeah, so let me know if you have any thoughts on texture, acne, any difference from day 1 to now. I don't know if today's gonna be the last day. I'm kind of just doing it until I run out of product, but I kind of ran out. I'm almost out of the moisturizer and the treatment, but I still have a lot of cleanser left. So yeah, final review will be put up. But yeah, so raw.
And honestly, for me, the cleanser and the moisturizer are okay. I feel as though the cleanser is not just I love deep cleansers, like a deep cleaning cleanser, and I feel like this is just hitting the surface and is a little bit sticky. And then for the moisturizer, I feel like it's just very light on the face, and again, it doesn't go like it doesn't make my face feel like it's moisturized like other products. So these two are like okay. I'm not like crazy about these two products, but I feel like the superhero of the trio is the Customize night cream. This is apply to face nightly. Sometimes I would apply this twice a day, but mostly like at night. I feel like this has been really helping my skin the most, and you can purchase this if you don't want the whole set. I think this is $20 a month, and I can't afford it, but I'm gonna stop with this and then continue with a different skincare line. But this has been, I think, amazing, and my friend has mostly been the one to tell me that she sees a change in texture. A lot of the acne underneath are coming to the surface, and you could see that throughout my journey. My skin does not look good today. I was sick, and I was at the beach, and it wasn't great. And yeah, that's what my skin looks like now. Yeah, let me know in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and yeah, I hope I help you guys and help me out. So yeah, enjoy.